these on yesterday. I was gonna install one of these yesterday, right over here. But what happened was I purchased the WH400 and it was a little bit too short. I think I said that already on both sides. I took it back to the store today and got the WH500. So let's see how this one's gonna work out. Perfect. I'm not gonna bore you with the installation. You saw how I did on the other side, so I'll show you when it's done. Alright, happy to say it fits. It's just about the perfect size. The other one was too small, and this one is just right. So like I said, you want to get the WH500. Another mod I picked up today was the wraparound radius RV step rug, and it's going to be placed on here. Just don't like the way it looks, kind of cheap and flimsy. So hopefully this will make it look better once I install it. I'm going to clean it up and start. When you turn it upside down, it has springs on here for you to hook it up if you need it tighter or looser. Let's see how this is going to fit and look. On here. So let me see, it goes this way. It'll be right on there. This goes underneath. Put the hooks back on. Oops. Oh, just stick it in there. I'll fix it. It's underneath there. Hold this right there. Go underneath here with the spring. Watch it. Hold on. There we got one. Got two. Oh, it came out the other side. There's two. Yeah, it came out. This one is on the second one, so let me go back to here. Two. Three. Put it here. Here. Three. And then we got this one here. There's four. Four. And you just want to center it. And when you lift it up, this is what it will look like underneath. Put it on the second ones. Stretched out. So far, so good. We'll see how it lasts and how it looks. Thank you for watching. Alright, one more mod we got here. We got the double refrigerator bar adjustable spring load, designed for 16 to 28 in width. And here we have the Dometic fridge. And the way this is going to work here, we're going to install it here. That way, if we have items in the fridge while we're moving, they won't roll around. Let me unpack this here. So it'll go something like this. And I think I have to turn these. So, let's see here. Tighten it as much as you want. There we go. That way items won't roll around. So maybe I have to get one for the bottom, maybe one for the top. It all depends on how much items we have. But at least it ain't gonna roll around. Another mod. Thank you for watching on this one. Simple, easy. I'm gonna put all these on the link if you're interested to purchase them. Couple more installs. We have a soap dispenser, and this will be for toothbrush, toothpaste, and razor. Let's see where we're gonna install this. Alright, when you open the package up, it comes with these little stickers. So you can put shampoo, conditioner, body wash, soap, and sanitizer, lotion, in different languages. And it goes right in that little bezel right here. Alright, so I'm going to have to take the back cover off. And you just slide it down, it comes off. I'm going to put tape on these 4 sides because I'm not going to put screws. Put it on there. And let me see where exactly it's going to go. So this is the setup we went with. Toothbrush holder here, above the sink, and soap dispenser here. It's not put in right because I'm letting it dry. But as you can see, when using a soap dispenser, toothbrush. Oh, let me see if we can get a better picture of it from back here. That's what it looks like. I'll put it in descriptions just in case you're interested. And stay tuned for more additions and mods. Alright, here's another accessory I purchased from Rhino, USA. And this is a Hitch Tightener and Silencer pad combo. And what is this for? Is to eliminate the noise that the hitch does, to reduce movement from the hitch tray, cargo carriers. And you know, when you're putting this in and it hits against the hitch of the car, makes noise and moves, and then when you're taking off at the light, and like you can feel a jerk. When you hit the brake, you can feel it hit. But this is going to eliminate that. This is from Rhino, USA. Has a lifetime warranty. This one comes with a pad combo. The other ones don't. It's a warranty activation card that says lifetime warranty. And it's just 4 easy steps. So you go ahead and see what's in the box here. Okay, it comes with 3 hitch pads. This is so it won't hit. So you're going to take this and place it on here. We're going to go ahead and put this on the vehicle. Here's the hitch plate. This is what the hitch plate looks like. Your joint is going to go here. Your joint's going to go on here. Hitch plate, when you put it on, you want to make sure that this lip is facing forward. You place it here and you're going to screw this on. And when it screws on, it's going to tighten both ends so it doesn't rattle anymore. It comes with the nuts and the bolts and some washers. I'll go ahead and show you how this thing works. As you can see here, place this hitch receiver, and then when you put the pin in, you see that rattle right there? And as you pull in, the trailer pulls at the leg, you hear that noise going down the road. It's annoying. I don't know about you, but it's annoying to me, and you'll see the difference once this part gets put on. First thing you want to do is put the silencer on there, which is this plastic rubber piece. Fits right in there. Then you want to go ahead and put your pin lock. And go ahead and put the pin in. Then you want to go ahead and put the U-bolt. And this is why you have this. So there's metal on metal. You're going to take the plate. Like I said, the up lip is going to go down here on the front side. You're going to take your flat washer, lock nut, put it on both sides. You want to make sure they're even, so you want to have one side uneven and the other side even. Kind of windy. It's getting nice. Weather's turning nice. So what you want to do is make sure they're both on here, and then you get an 18mm, and you want to tighten both sides even. So one and one. He's moving forward, so you're gonna have to hold it back. Like I said, make sure that they're even. There's other type of devices you can use. This one had a lifetime warranty, and the reviews were great. So I said, why not? Everybody likes it. You might as well try it. So you can see, it doesn't move, and I'm pulling on it. I'm really pulling on this thing. Doesn't rattle. And somebody tries to steal it. I mean, I'm still thinking they won't be able to take it off. So you can see, this is to each their own. Some people's gonna like it, some people are not. I don't care if you do or you don't. I'm just trying to help some people out. Some people are newbies, some people ask questions on why is it rattling, why does it make noise. This is one of the reasons why you hear that noise. I don't like the noise, so I'm just trying to help people out. Like, share, subscribe. Tell me what you think. I'll put the link in the description. Lifetime warranty, you can't beat it. Thanks for watching, folks.